So now that we started this app in the last lecture, and we also had a first glimpse at some Flutter and Dart code, I want to come back to one thing you can see in that code. And that's this material app thing here. This thing here is a so-called widget, as I mentioned in the last lecture, but you will learn more about widgets and what widgets are all about later in this course, in the next section to be precise. But one thing that's noteworthy about this material app widget here is its name, material app. And it's noteworthy because it includes a very important word, material. Because Flutter apps by default use Material Design, which is Google's flexible design system. Now you can learn more about Material Design on material.io, which is the official webpage of the Material Design system and language. And in the end, this material design thing is simply a set of suggestions, rules, and guidelines established by Google that help you build beautiful user interfaces. And Flutter embraces material design, and by using this material app widget here, which we will use throughout this entire course, you get a lot of base styles and rules that ensure that your mobile user interfaces that are built with Flutter will always look nice. And of course, that's just a basic app here. Throughout the course, we will build way more fancy and advanced apps, of course. Now, what's really important to understand about material design is that even though it is a system built by Google, it does offer you a lot of customization options and it's highly extendable. So as you will also see throughout the course, it's not the case that all your apps will look the same. You can customize everything and you will learn how you can style the apps to look exactly the way you want them to look. So it's not a prison, but instead this material design thing here is really all about giving you a foundation on which you can build up on. So you will see this material app throughout the entire course, and in the end, this material app thing will be the reason for a lot of base styles you get in your app and will be the foundation on which we build up on as we apply our own stylings throughout this course.